In Southeast Texas, we'll see periods of rain, maybe even a rumble of thunder or two overnight tonight into early Sunday morning. And we'll see temperatures still pretty chilly. We're talking about low 40s tonight. Temperatures kind of holding steady where they're at now. Let's take a look at Futurecast. We're in the low 40s now. Rain continuing to move across the area. We'll see some breaks in between these little pockets of showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two, especially near the coastline and offshore will be where some of the heavier rains are at. Notice 5:30 in the morning, temperatures in the lower to mid 40s, so temperatures just staying pretty steady. Good news is at least it won't get any colder. And as we head throughout the morning, still raining at 7:30 and in the 40s. And finally, the rains ending mid to late morning. And still lots of clouds tomorrow. But at least we'll get rid of the precipitation. We'll have northerly winds and temperatures may actually get into the lower 50s. Pretty close. We'll say upper 40s to lower 50s across southeast Texas. But the clouds will hold. Look for cloudy skies tomorrow. Additional rainfall expected to be around 1/3 of an inch, a little bit heavier offshore, of course, in the Gulf of Mexico, closer to the area of low pressure. In the upper atmosphere, well, things are pretty quiet. Little disturbances coming in from the southwest. Trough moving on out. Notice this upper air pattern for next week. A lot warmer, more of a west to east flow, the real cold air well up to the north. So we're in pretty good shape there. Little disturbance comes in Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Just don't see much of a chance of rain with that though. Moisture levels will be pretty limited as that system comes on in. And here's a look at high temperatures. Now this is gonna be nice next week. Finally after Monday, we'll be in the 60s on Monday, but look at these 70s Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Finally able to thaw out a little bit across southeast Texas. Now your marine forecast for tomorrow, sea still running around 2 to 3 feet. Northeast winds becoming north up to 15 knots. Water temperature still at 51. Now tonight, rain and chilly, 80% coverage, maybe a rumble of thunder or two overnight tonight. Nothing severe expected. And for your Sunday, look for cloudy skies, morning rain at 50% for the lakes, 80% for inland and the triangle. That's early though. The rains will be tapering off throughout the morning. High temperatures close to 50 in the lakes. Still a cool day. Maybe the lower 50s in the triangle. Being optimistic there, going 51, 52 for a high tomorrow. But notice Monday, lots of sun. We finally get into the mid to upper 60s. That'll be nice. And even better for Tuesday, Wednesday, the rest of the week, 70s for highs with some sunshine, lows in the 40s and 50s, beginning to warm up even at night as we head toward the end of next week.